Why you reorganize your desk instead of starting. Starting work should be the easiest thing in the world. Sit down, open your laptop, get it done. But no, your brain looks at the task and says, absolutely not. Let's spend the next 45 minutes rearranging pens by height, color, and astrological sign. Suddenly, organizing your workspace feels like the most important project of your life. Deadlines ignored, boss's emails ghosted, but at least your stapler is finally facing true north. Welcome to What Your Brain Hates, the series that roasts all the ridiculous ways your neurons sabotage you. And today, we're diving into 5 brutal reasons your brain makes you reorganize your desk instead of starting actual work. Number 1, fake progress. Here's the truth. Your brain is addicted to feeling productive, not actually being productive. When you line up your sticky notes, shuffle papers, or polish your keyboard, your neurons scream, "Look at us. We're crushing it." It's like when you go to the gym, take one selfie in the mirror, and leave. You feel like you worked out, but your body knows the truth. Tidying up tricks your brain into believing progress is happening because it can see the change. A clean desk feels like a win, but that report you're avoiding? Still untouched. Punchline: you didn't organize your life. You just created a crime scene of delayed ambition. Number 2, anxiety management. Big tasks trigger big anxiety. And your brain? It's a coward. Faced with a giant project, it instantly pivots. Forget the presentation, due tomorrow. Let's rearrange the highlighters into a rainbow gradient. Why? Because small, controllable chores reduce stress in the short term. It's emotional bubble wrap. Popping it feels good, but it doesn't fix the leaky ceiling dripping on your head. Cleaning your desk calms the panic without addressing the real source of it. So instead of slaying the dragon, you're polishing the sword over and over. Punchline: you're not lowering stress, you're decorating your stress like it's going to prom. Number 3, control freak mode. Life is messy. Deadlines shift, emails explode, bosses breathe down your neck. You can't control any of that, but you can control the exact angle of your coffee mug on the desk. So your brain grabs onto what it can dominate, micromanaging your workspace. It's the same reason people binge clean when they feel powerless. You can't fix your love life, but hey, you can scrub the bathroom tiles until they sparkle. Your brain convinces you that controlling the little stuff will somehow restore order to the chaos. Spoiler, it doesn't. Punchline: you can't control your future, so you control the position of your stapler instead. Number 4, perfectionist excuse. This one's savage. Your brain whispers, "I'll start the real work once the desk is perfect," which is hilarious because perfection is a moving target. Once the desk is clean, suddenly the lighting isn't right. Once the lighting is fixed, now you need the perfect playlist. Before you know it, 2 hours have passed, and you're still setting the stage. Perfectionism is just procrastination wearing a tuxedo. It gives you a socially acceptable excuse to avoid starting, while making you feel like you're preparing for success. But really, you're just stalling in high definition. Punchline: you're not setting up for productivity. You're feng shuiing your failure. Number 5, dopamine delay tactic. Here's the killer. Real work doesn't reward you immediately. Writing code, solving equations, finishing a report, those payoffs come way later. But cleaning? That's instant gratification. Before and after satisfaction in under 10 minutes. Your brain is basically a toddler choosing a cookie now over 10 cookies later. So instead of gambling on the delayed dopamine of finishing the project, your brain takes the quick hit from, "Look how shiny this desk is." It's the same logic as binging TikTok. Quick hits over real value. Punchline: it's not a productivity ritual. It's procrastination with a Swiffer. So yeah, you don't reorganize your desk because you're secretly a minimalist monk. You do it because your brain bribes you with fake progress, quick dopamine, and the illusion of control. But here's the catch. That clean desk won't write your essay. It won't send the scary email. It won't do the actual work. Only you can. Subscribe or don't. But if you don't, tomorrow your brain will convince you to alphabetize your paper clips instead of watching the next episode. And honestly, that's a fate worse than failure.